Today we're going to go over a little bit of parameterization. We're not going to get into a lot of detail with it, but we're gonna cover it a little bit. So there are times when we'll define x and y separately in terms of another variable. Oftentimes that other variable is t. So this can be helpful in certain occasions. So let's say that we have this function here, y equals x cubed. We could have it defined in terms of y and x like we normally do. We could also have it defined in terms of t. So we could let x be equal to t, and then that would mean that y would be equal to t cubed, because if x and t are equal, then if you were to sub in t for x right here, then you get y equals t cubed. If you were to let t be equal to 2, then x would be equal to 2. And then if y is equal to t cubed, then you would sub, and then y equals 2 cubed would be equal to 8. And if you're to sub in 2 for x right here, you would get y equals 8. So parametric equations, they're still basically the same thing, but it's just another way of defining them, defining the our functions. So could also let x be equal to t to the 1/4, and then if that were to happen, then let's see, if we were to sub in t to the 1/4 right here, we'd get y equals t to the 3/4. And so this is just another way of defining this right here. So if you're to have x equals 1/4, x is equal to, let me repeat that. If x is equal to t to the 1/4, then if we were to sub in for x, then we'd get y equals t to the 1/4 raised to the 3rd power, and that would be y equals t to the 3/4. So if we were to let t be equal to 16, then we would have an x value of 2. And then if you were to sub in 2 for x, you'd get y equals 8. And then let's look right here. If we were to have t equals 16 right here, then x would be equal to 2, and then 16 raised, if we were to have t equals 16 right here, 16 raised to the 3/4 power, that's 8. We still obtain the same result. And so that's really all I'm going to say for parametric functions for today. And so thank you for watching. I hope to see you back soon.